One of gaming's most celebrated stealth adventures is returning, reborn for a new generation. Meet Metal Gear Solid: Snake Eater, a faithful remake of the legendary 2004 classic. Built from the ground up with modern visuals, updated mechanics, and thrilling enhancements. Developed by Konami Digital Entertainment with support from Virtuos, this remake uses Unreal Engine 5 to deliver lush environments, realistic animations, and sharper immersion. It releases on August 28, 2025 for PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X/S, and PC. Why remake it now? Because Snake Eater's origin story and gripping emotional core remain timeless, perfect for both longtime fans and newcomers alike. This isn't just a visual makeover. You can choose between new style controls with over-the-shoulder third-person flexibility or legacy style for a nostalgic fixed camera experience. The remake also brings combat enhancements like crouch walking, third-person shooting, a dynamic damage system where wounds visibly scar Snake, and improved camouflage mechanics. Fans will love returning content, like the beloved Snake vs. Monkey mode, exclusive to PlayStation, while Xbox players get Snake vs. Bomberman. The iconic Snake Eater theme has been re-recorded by Cynthia Harrell, staying faithful yet richer in emotion. Metal Gear Solid: Snake Eater brings back the Cold War-era espionage with breathtaking fidelity and refined stealth action. Coming August 28, 2025, and delivering what fans have waited for nearly 2 decades. May your mission succeed, or Snake won't be the only one hiding in the weeds. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Metal Gear content.